I have always loved bamboo. I think it's a very interesting plant. And now I finally have some established on my property. This particular variety will eventually produce canes about 1 inch diameter by 15 to 20 feet tall. This is a running bamboo, so it will spread aggressively. Here it is in 2023, and then 3 years prior, 2020. You can see the amount of growth. Again, 2023. So you can see what a difference 3 years has made. And it is really established and ready to spread now. So I have to get serious about controlling this bamboo. Here's my plan. Here's my bamboo, and I will dig a ditch around the perimeter, shown by this red line. The ditch will be almost 2 feet deep and will be about 100 feet in length in order to encircle the bamboo. Into that ditch, I will put a thick plastic material that is made for controlling bamboo. This company is in no way sponsoring this video. It's just that when I started shopping for material, this is the company I found that I really liked. And I've been very pleased with their service and the quality of the material. I would highly recommend them. The standard way of installing this material is with the use of a trenching machine or ditch witch. I did check around on prices for rental or maybe hiring someone to do it. And in the end, I thought, hey, I need the exercise. I'll dig it by hand. Maybe I'm crazy, but I did. And you know, as I dug this ditch, I discovered that the runners from this bamboo stand were already 10 to 15 feet outside the perimeter that I wanted to establish. So I cut off and dug up all of those underground runners. Here's a pile of the runners drying in the sun. So I finished the project. I dug the ditch all the way around. I put in the barrier. I filled the ditch, and I was very pleased with the end results of the project. The ditch averages about 20 inches deep all the way around for my particular bamboo. In your location, your type of bamboo, you may need to go deeper. And there will be a slight amount of ongoing maintenance. I'll always be on the lookout for any runners that are going across the top of the barrier, and we'll cut those off. You'll notice when I joined the ends here, I did not overlap the material in the most logical way, but rather turned it inwards toward the stand of bamboo and fastened the ends together. I saw that suggestion somewhere, and it does make a lot of sense to me. So there are multiple ways you could do it. I do suggest ordering the clamp kit that this company sells to go along with it. It worked well. So I got it all finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it. And I hope this helps you out in your project. I think I'll go to the house now, maybe play the piano or something.